Today, we will talk about how to use witch hazel for hemorrhoids treatment. Let's have a look at the details. Though hemorrhoids are uncomfortable and sometimes painful, they're also very common, as many as 3 out of 4 adults will have them at some point in their life. Witch hazel is a great home remedy that can help soothe and calm irritated, swollen skin. However, if you have excessive pain, bleeding, or hemorrhoid that won't go away, it's best if you go see your doctor for professional care. The first method is treating exterior hemorrhoids. Clean your anal area before treating your hemorrhoids. Bathe or shower daily to keep your anal area clean. Baths are preferable to showers as they have the added benefit of soaking your hemorrhoids, which can provide some relief. Try taking a witch hazel sitz bath to soothe your hemorrhoids. Fill your bathtub with 3 to 4 inches of warm water and stir in 1/2 cup of Epsom salt and 2 tablespoons of witch hazel. Soak in the sitz bath for 10 to 15 minutes. Apply a witch hazel soaked pad to your hemorrhoids for immediate relief. Press it gently to the area for about 60 seconds up to 6 times a day. Try a witch hazel salve to relieve itching and swelling. These can be purchased online or at the drugstore. Always read and follow the directions on the container. The second method is using a suppository for internal hemorrhoids. Make a suppository out of witch hazel tincture and cocoa butter. In a small bowl, mix 1 teaspoon, 4.9 milliliters, of the tincture with 1 teaspoon, 4.9 milliliters, of cocoa butter. Mold the mixture in a small oblong shape. If you're having trouble shaping the suppository, place the mixture in plastic wrap and twist it to mold it into a pill shape. Freeze the suppository for 1 to 2 hours until it is fully frozen, making sure it's covered in plastic wrap. Once the suppository is firm to the touch, it's good to use. Wash your hands and put on a disposable glove to practice good hygiene. Lubricate the end of the suppository to help it go in more easily. Use some kind of water-soluble lubricant and dab it on the end of the suppository. This will help you avoid any discomfort when you insert it, and it'll help it go in a little further to treat your hemorrhoids. Insert the suppository while laying on your left side. Lay on your side for 5 to 10 minutes while the suppository works. Discard your gloves and wash your hands a final time. Use warm water and soap, and scrub your hands for at least 20 seconds before drying them off with a clean towel. And, the third method is seeking medical attention. Visit your doctor if your hemorrhoids bleed, hurt, or don't improve. Most hemorrhoids go away within a week without medical care, which is great news if you have one. Get immediate medical care for dizziness, lightheadedness, or fainting. These may be symptoms of a more serious condition or possibly an infection. Visit your doctor or an urgent care center immediately to get checked out. They'll help you get the proper treatment so you start feeling better quickly. Let your doctor check your hemorrhoids and do any necessary tests. Your doctor will probably do a visual inspection to confirm your diagnosis. If you have internal hemorrhoids, they may do a quick exam by feeling for hemorrhoids using their finger. These tests can be a little awkward and uncomfortable, but they're very quick. Talk to your doctor about topical treatments for your hemorrhoids. If witch hazel didn't work, other over-the-counter ointments, creams, and suppositories may help. If you still have hemorrhoids after a week, visit your doctor again to ask about other treatments. Discuss other treatments if your hemorrhoid is interfering with your life. If nothing is helping, your doctor may suggest you try something different to get relief. Thanks for watching this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel if you like our videos.